Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial we will study about the PowerPoint, that how you use PowerPoint to remove background from a picture. Now there are two ways to remove the background from a picture in the PowerPoint. If you see this picture, I have removed the background from this picture, and this is this picture where the background is present. Now what are the two ways to remove the background from the picture? Just you have to double click on this picture, and there are options at the right: remove background, correction, color correction, artistic effects. If you go to the color, now there is set transparent color. Click on it and then click on some area in your picture that you want to remove. For example, I have clicked this area, but now the problem is the background color of the picture is not a smooth one. This option works in that condition where the color of the background is a smooth one. For example, I will show you another picture. Now have a look at this picture. Now if you have a look at this picture, I have removed the background of this picture, but there are still some problems at the edges of this picture. A white background is still present over here. If I zoom this picture for you, then you can clearly understand that these white color are present at the sides or the edges, and the picture is this one where I have removed the color, the background. Now click on this picture, double click, go to color, then set transparent color, and then click over this white area. This white area will disappear, but again it will leave some marks at the edges. So this is not recommended one. The recommended one is the one which we will discuss now. So let's see that how you can remove the background of the picture. Now from this picture I want to remove the background. I will just double click on this, and then at the right corner, left top corner, there is a remove background. Now it will automatically pick the area where the picture is present. Now what you have to do is that mark areas to keep, mark areas to remove. There are two options, which area you want to remove and which area you want to keep in your picture. So I want to remove area, or I want to keep this picture. For example, I will click on mark areas to keep, and there are some of the areas which are to be kept in my picture. So I will just drag the line over here, and that's it. It's so easy that you have just to click on some area and that area will be kept for you or removed. Then the last thing is keep changes. Click on keep changes, and that's it. The background of your picture has been removed very clearly. Now some more practice on another picture. This is a picture from which I have removed the background, and I will show you how it has been removed. This is the picture. Double click on it, go to remove background, then marks area to keep, and then I will drag it here over here so that these areas should be kept in my picture. Some of the hair, and that's it. Now if you see these white buildings, the construction area is still white. There should be pink in order to remove it. So I want to remove this area, then I will pick up the marks areas to remove, and then I will drag over here. That's it. Now the problem is the hands are also white. They are also marked by this selection. So again I will pick up marks area to keep, and then I will drag over here at the arm, so that the arm of the lady, that should not be removed. And there is some problem in this picture because you have to minutely observe and mark the areas. Now if I mark this area and then mark this area, now you can see the hand has been adjusted. Now the second hand is present. Now I want to keep the hand, so I will pick up mark areas to keep, and then drag on the arm over this area, and then that's done. Now keep changes and your background has been removed. Now if you want to decrease the size of this picture, just crop it, go to crop, and this extra area will be removed from your picture. That's it. The cropped area has been removed. Then you can zoom it in order to see that what are the changes which you have done to the picture. So you can easily remove the background of a picture in the PowerPoint. Now for a simple one, I want to copy a picture, double click over it, then remove background option, and then go to mark areas to keep and mark areas to remove. These two options are the basic options due to which you will remove the colors of the background, or you want to keep the colors of the background. Now we want to keep this area which is present in this picture. Now this one, and let's see this last area. And again, if I drag this area over here, now complete picture has been, the background will be removed, the area shown in the picture in the pink, that will be removed, and the rest of the area will remain in your picture. Just go to keep changes, click over here, and that's all. Now if I copy the picture from the second picture slide, now have a look at these two pictures. There is a big difference. The one which we have removed on color correction, that still there are some white areas at the edges, but the one which we have removed on removing background, there is no marked area over here. If you want to change the background of this, so just double click over here and go to format picture, no fill. Instead of it, you have to select the solid fill and then select the color. For example, you want it should be a yellow color, then the background is also changed. It's so easy. By using the PowerPoint, you can remove the background of a picture and you can adjust the color of the background of a picture. Now again, from this picture we want to remove the background, so marks area to keep. So these are the area which I want to keep in this picture. These are the areas which I will mark. In the minor details you can do it easily, but a little bit we have to remain cautious in this, because the areas which are remaining are you want to remove, that should not disturb your picture. Another simple method is just come here and then drag this area. Automatically it will clear all the area that you want to. Now this is the area which I want that should be in my picture, and the rest of the area that is remaining, I want to delete this area, so I want to remove this from my picture. Just a single click over here, a single click over here. It's very easy method by which you can remove the background from a picture in the PowerPoint. For minute details and for further assistance and for further good effects of your picture quality, you can use Adobe Photoshop, but in your slide you can just remove it over here easily. Now just keep changes and that's it. Your picture has been, the background of your picture has been removed. If I zoom it for you, now you can look at that all the minute details that have been removed from the picture. Thanks for watching.